For more than 2 decades, the Boeing 777ER has been one of the most successful long-haul airliners ever built. It became the backbone of airlines around the world, carrying millions of passengers across oceans and continents. From Dubai to New York, Doha to Sydney, and Frankfurt to Los Angeles, the 777-300ER proved itself as a reliable, efficient, and highly profitable aircraft. But now, Boeing has a successor waiting in the wings, the Boeing 777X. With larger wings, more efficient engines, and advanced technology, the 777 promises to take everything that made the 777-300ER successful and make it even better. But here's the big question. The 777X was built to replace the legendary 777-300ER. But can it really take over every route? The answer is more complicated than you might think. Let's find out. To understand whether the 777X can replace the 777-300ER everywhere, we first need to understand why Boeing created it. When the 777-300ER entered service in 2004, it quickly became a favorite among airlines. It offered long range, excellent reliability, and lower operating costs than many four-engine aircraft of the time. In fact, it was so successful that it helped accelerate the retirement of aircraft such as the Boeing 747 and Airbus A340. But aviation never stands still. Fuel prices rise and fall. Environmental regulations become stricter. Airlines constantly search for ways to reduce costs. Boeing knew that eventually airlines would need something even more efficient. That's where the 777X came in. The goal wasn't to reinvent the wheel. The goal was to build a better 777. The aircraft would offer lower fuel burn, lower maintenance costs, improved passenger comfort, and greater efficiency while maintaining the capacity and range that airlines loved. On paper, it looked like the perfect successor. But replacing an aircraft on paper is one thing. Replacing it in the real world is something entirely different. 2. Bigger wings, better efficiency. One of the first things you'll notice about the 777X is its enormous wing. In fact, it has the largest composite wing ever fitted to a commercial airliner. The wingspan is so large that Boeing had to create folding wingtips to allow the aircraft to fit into existing airport gates. When parked, the outer sections fold upward. When flying, they extend to their full span. It looks futuristic, but there is a very practical reason behind it. Longer wings create more lift and reduce drag. That means the aircraft can fly farther while using less fuel. The wing is also made from advanced carbon fiber composites, rather than traditional aluminum. These materials are lighter, stronger, and more efficient. Combined with aerodynamic refinements throughout the aircraft, Boeing expects significant efficiency improvements compared with older 777 variants. For airlines, that's incredibly important. Fuel is often one of their largest expenses. Even a small reduction in fuel burn can save millions of dollars annually across a fleet. The result is simple. Airlines can carry similar or even greater numbers of passengers while burning less fuel. That's exactly the type of improvement airlines are looking for. If the wings are impressive, the engines are even more remarkable. The 777X is powered by the GE9X, the largest and most powerful commercial jet engine ever built. Its fan diameter is so large that many adults could comfortably stand inside it. In fact, if you place a person next to a GE9X, the scale becomes almost unbelievable. The engine is a technological masterpiece. It uses advanced materials, ceramic matrix composites, and highly efficient turbine technology. The result is greater thrust while consuming less fuel. That means airlines can fly long distances more economically than before. The engines also produce fewer emissions, helping airlines meet increasingly strict environmental goals. This is one of the biggest reasons why so many carriers are interested in the aircraft. The GE9X isn't just an engine upgrade. It's one of the core reasons the 777X exists. When airlines evaluate a new aircraft, they often focus on one key question: how much money can it save us? The GE9X provides a compelling answer. Now let's look at why so many airlines are preparing for the 777X. The biggest reason is simple. Their existing 777-300ER fleets are getting older. As aircraft age, maintenance requirements increase. Inspections become more frequent. Parts wear out. Downtime increases. Eventually, operating older aircraft becomes more expensive than replacing them. At the same time, fuel efficiency has become more important than ever. Airlines face pressure from investors, regulators, and passengers to reduce emissions and operating costs. The 777X offers a way to achieve both goals. That's why major airlines, including Emirates, Qatar Airways, and Lufthansa, have placed large orders. For airlines like Emirates in particular, the aircraft is almost tailor-made for their business model. Emirates operates massive hub-and-spoke networks connecting passengers through Dubai. Many of their routes regularly fill large, wide-body aircraft. For these airlines, the 777X is a natural successor to the 777-300ER. But this is where the story becomes interesting, because not every route looks like Dubai to London or Doha to New York. In recent years, airlines have discovered that smaller long-range aircraft can often be more profitable. Take the Airbus A350-900 or Boeing 787-9. These aircraft carry fewer passengers than the largest 777 variants, but they offer impressive range and lower operating costs. This allows airlines to open routes that would be difficult to support with larger aircraft. Instead of filling 400 seats, an airline may only need to fill 250 or 300. That flexibility can make a route profitable. A larger aircraft, meanwhile, could struggle. Imagine an airline operating a route where demand fluctuates significantly throughout the year. During peak seasons, a 777X may be ideal. During slower months, it could become difficult to fill enough seats. A smaller aircraft provides more flexibility and less financial risk. That's why many airlines are increasingly choosing aircraft such as the A350 and 787 for expansion. And that raises an important question. Why fly a giant jet when a smaller one can make the route profitable? For many airlines, that's becoming the deciding factor. Ironically, the greatest threat to the 777X may not be another airplane. It may be changing airline strategy. For decades, airlines often focused on operating the largest aircraft possible. The idea was simple: pack more passengers onto each flight and reduce costs per seat. But today's travelers increasingly value flexibility. Business travelers often prefer multiple daily departures. Leisure travelers enjoy more scheduling choices. As a result, airlines are increasingly favoring frequency over size. Instead of operating one giant aircraft per day, they may operate two smaller aircraft. The Airbus A380 is perhaps the best example. Although passengers loved it, many airlines found it difficult to consistently fill all those seats. As airline strategies evolved, demand shifted towards smaller, more versatile aircraft. The same trend could limit how extensively the 777X replaces the 777-300ER. The challenge isn't the aircraft itself. The challenge is how airlines are changing. The 777X is an excellent airplane, but even excellent airplanes must fit evolving business models. So, will the Boeing 777X fully replace the 777-300ER on all routes? The answer is no, at least not entirely. Some routes simply don't require the size and capacity of the 777X. Others may be better served by aircraft such as the Airbus A350-900 or Boeing 787-9. As a result, the future won't be a one-for-one replacement across every route. Instead, we'll likely see a mixed fleet strategy, with airlines deploying different aircraft depending on market demand. And that may ultimately be the smartest approach, because in modern aviation, success isn't about flying the biggest airplane. It's about flying the right airplane. The Boeing 777X may be the heir to the 777-300ER, but aviation's future isn't just about bigger airplanes. It's about putting the right airplane on the right route. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more aviation content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.